All right, so welcome to today's webinar. I'm going to talk to you about sarcodes and nosodes today. And one of the first remedies I'm going to give you a glimpse about. Because in many cases, we are seeing that our indicated remedies are helping. In some cases, it is stopping. There is a block in the treatment. What to do in these cases? So, after extensive research, I've tried to come across certain sarcodes and nosodes that can be used. First of it, I'm going to talk about adrenaline. It's prepared from the adrenal glands. It's a sarcode, and I believe this is one of the most important remedy of today's and the next generation, especially the kind of high stress we are going through. Because you have to understand that stress basically activates the release of adrenaline in blood. Adrenaline, as we know, is actually produced from a gland above the kidney, and adrenaline is responsible for fight and flight type of reaction. For example, it might send extra oxygen to lung to aid a person run away. Adrenaline also causes lot of memory issues, and that is why we use it very often for ADHD and memory weakness issue also in children. The main thing in which adrenaline I've used, especially with the high stress, is in cardiac conditions, in hypertensions, in pulmonary hypertensions, in eye pathologies, things like that. I'm going to tell you now the materia medica mind symptoms also. One of the main thing about adrenaline is that the body's ability to feel the pain decreases a lot because of adrenaline. So there is a kind of painlessness, it's almost like a little bit like opium. It causes a noticeable increase in strength and performance and heightened awareness. There is an alertness. There is a kind of a very, very high violence and rage in this remedy as well. Along with pain, the other thing is the strength increase, the focus increases in this remedy. So a person with a very high strength, a kind of painlessness, focused mentality, with blood pressure issues, with high stress issues, think about the remedy like adrenaline. Many clinical conditions I have used adrenaline: hypertension, diabetes, Alzheimer's, clumsiness, drowsiness, bulimia, insomnia, restlessness, nightmares, schizophrenia, twitchings, compulsive disorders. it has a it has an experience like burnout. There's a lot of burnout after high stress. Also, like a mental shock has happened. Burnt out is one of my main genius of this remedy. Pulford has written a lot about where the eyes feel burnt out, and some clinical confirmation: high blood pressure, heartbeat issues, a headache, etc. It is also given in boric. Boric gives it for specifically for thyroid, for asthma, and even for any kind of constriction of the chest. You can see thoracic constriction. Dr. Sarkar, my guru, uses it for high blood pressure with constriction of chest, and so on. So this is a remarkable new materia medica that I am forming. My new book will be coming very soon. It's called as Materia Medica of Sarcodes and Nosodes, and I'm just waiting for it to give it to all of you.